So I probably have this. We opened it.
Ginkgo biloba?
Gut health.
Di ba kaya rin nagkakatigaw? Kasi ano ka?
Same.
Nah, what the hell, bro? Hey, guys. Tae, guys. Tae, guys. Taklate. Tae, guys. Taklate. Taklate. Halate.
Bye.
Fusion. Ew.
No, what the hell? Ban mo tong Roblox na to. Ano ba to? Nabuwisit na ako. Bans, bullying ka. So, nagbubully siya sa akin, ha? Ano ba tong Roblox na to?
Ano ba yan?
Shoes on. I have my plastic shoes on. That's what I do. Apparently, it's funny. Gabriella. They take the shoes on. Okay. Wow, it's a good shoes. Apparently, I could just teleport it. My shoes. I have this thing. It's just so weird. Yeah.